What are we up to today?
About to make some banana pudding and also get started with some baked beanery.
We are having our first dinner where we're having friends over, and so we're getting ready.
Next time it won't be with instant pudding.
No, I accidentally bought instant pudding, which I was warned against.
No one will know.
I didn't realize. So
I think it'll be just fine.
it'll be just fine. And next time we'll buy the right type of pudding. Okay, now we were told that instant pudding is not as good, but it tastes quite good to me.
It tastes like pudding.
It tastes like delicious vanilla pudding. So we're gonna go with it.
Damn right.
So I'm gonna go out into the yard and get some new flowers for this little arrangement here and make it look a little more presentable for our dinner this evening. Looking pretty good so far. Mickey, you want to smell? Okay, I'm out looking for a platter. And this one looks really nice. It says blue floral, signed. $75. Might be a little more than I want to spend. And then there's another one over here. Looks pretty good. And I'm looking for dessert cups, which I just found somewhere here. But I'm afraid they're not big enough. I absolutely love going through antique shops and looking through all the booths very slowly and taking my time. But today, since I'm on a time crunch, I wanted to see what my GPT would say about how many items are in one of these booths. Something like this would be perfect for the banana pudding. But there's only 2 of them, so I'm gonna keep looking. Whoa. Cool. Okay, let's keep looking. So, napkins are on my list, and I just found these. There's 4 of them. They're $6 napkins with the rings. And look at them, they're little pigs. Oh my gosh, they're gonna be perfect for barbecue. I'm gonna get them. I also found these little bud vases, which are so cute. And I found a platter, which I love and I hope is big enough for Sam's purposes. So we'll see how it goes. I like these maybe for the dessert cups, but I still haven't quite found what I'm looking for. We'll see. I'm going to keep looking. Okay, I found these glasses and they say sherbet glasses on them. A set of 7, but they're just about the right size. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get them. I just found this set of 4 placemats, which I did not think I was gonna be able to find placemats. But I think these are gonna be perfect, and my basket's filling up. So I better finish off my list and get going. And Chloe missed me.
Chloe definitely missed you.
Look at the little... Did Papa miss me?
So much. I kept staring out the window like, where's my bed? Where is she?
I found everything on my list. Napkins, placemats, serving platter, dessert cups, serving spoons, and I think that's it. I got this platter because I love it. But also we could maybe cut the ribs and stack them.
It should be fine.
Yeah. Earlier, I was cutting flowers like Martha Stewart, but now I just feel like I'm in Martha Mayhem trying to pull this table together. And look who should show up right before my pig napkin rings can make it to the table. So does a table setting minus napkin rings equal a dinner party? Probability of disaster, 5%. I like those odds.